Hello everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your own custom domain business email address completely for free on Godaddy shared hosting. So for this you will need the cPanel hosting, and if you're using Godaddy's managed WordPress hosting, then I have a different tutorial about it on my channel. I will put a link in the description and on the video top as well. So go check out that if you're using managed WordPress hosting. So if you are using cPanel hosting, then let's continue the tutorial. So for this, first you have to log into cPanel, and to do so it's really easy. All you have to do is go to GoDaddy, sign in, and from here go to My Products. Now scroll down. Here you will see a list of all products connected to your GoDaddy account. So we need the web hosting, this cPanel one. So then click on Manage. Okay, from here, you can see your cPanel login details, or you can directly just click on this button here, cPanel admin, and it will directly log you into the cPanel like this. And from here, you will have to find the email settings. And just in case the interface looks a bit different after a few years when you are watching this video, what you have to do is change the theme. So you can see the themes here. From here, you can search for theme, or you can just scroll down and you will see the style options. So just click here and you will see all the cPanel themes. So for earlier it used to be like this retro theme, and now these are the modern themes. So now let's go back to the main page here, and from here let's search for email, and this will show you the all the email settings. So click on this option, email accounts, and from here what you have to do is click on this button, create. Here enter your username. For example, I will type contact, or you can type like support or hello or anything, like let's say make it support, and then select the domain here. So in case you have multiple domains, then you will have to select the correct domain for which you want to create the email address, and then click on set password. Now just click on generate and copy this. Now let's, sorry, open a notepad or somewhere secure, just save it. Okay, and change the storage space settings to unlimited, then just keep the settings at default, and then click on create. Okay, so you can see this success message here that our email address has been created, and this is, you can also see the new email address in the list here. So now let's go to check email option here. So it will directly log you to the web email portal. So this is the cPanel's portal to check email. So you will have to click, first select a web email client to view and manage your emails. So let's select this Horde one default and then click on open. So as you can see, this is a very basic kind of interface. The interface is not that good. So this is why we will connect it to our Gmail account and manage all your emails from there. So that's another advantage of connecting it to your Gmail inbox, that all your emails will be in the same inbox. So you can manage everything from the same place. So you can see the first email in our inbox is the settings email. So just open it and you will see this, these are the settings that we need to configure any email client. So what you will do is just keep it open. Now let's go to our Gmail inbox. So this is my inbox. So from here go to this, click on this icon, settings icon, go to see all settings, and now from here go to accounts and imports. So scroll down and go to this section, check email from accounts, click on add email account. Now we will have to put the email address. So this is the email address we created. I will just copy and paste directly from here so that there is no typo or any spelling mistake. Just paste it, then click on next. Then okay, just keep this selected and then click on next. In username here, you will have to put your full email address, and in password we just created before. So we'll just copy it and paste it here. And in the POP server, so just check the email settings here. You can see the incoming server is this. So you'll have to copy it from here and paste it. So then select the correct port here. For POP3, you can see it's the 995. And then what you can do is in the settings, so the first setting is the leave a copy of retrieved message on the server. So what this means is basically when anyone sends an email to your this address, support at the rate bestwpguides.xyz. So what will happen is Gmail will also make a copy in your Gmail inbox, and there will be an additional copy of that email on your server. So it's optional, and if you want, you can keep it, you can select this option just to keep a record of the incoming emails, but this create unnecessary copies, so I would say do not select it, but it's up to you. Okay, so now take this option, always use a secure connection, and then if you want to label your incoming messages, this is good for organization, so just take it here, and then do not take this option, archive incoming messages, then click on add account. Okay, so you can see here that your mail account has been added, and then select the yes option first here. Yes, I want to be able to send mail as support at the rate bestwpguides.xyz. Then click on next. So we have set up the incoming emails part. Now we will have to set up the outgoing emails. So this will allow us to send email from our Gmail inbox from this email address, support at the rate bestwpguides.xyz. So if you want, you can change the name here. So this is the name which will be visible to your recipient to whom you will send your emails. So I can make it like support team. Okay. And then treat as an alias, give this tick, and then click on next step. So in SMTP server again, check this email and copy exactly this server address. Paste it here and username, your full email address, and password. Then keep this TLS. First check with if the TLS option will work. Add account. Okay, so as you can see here in this settings email, the SSL setting option was enabled. So this was the 465 port, and for TLS it was the 587. So it worked with TLS, so that's fine. And we move to the next step here. You can see it successfully managed to log in. And if you scroll down the settings email, so you can see here that it also allow you to set this your own domain email address here to check incoming, but doesn't really matter if the first option works for you. If it doesn't, then you can check with this email server option here also. Okay, so now let's complete the next step quickly. And it has sent and Gmail has sent a verification email to your email address, so you can check to your inbox here. Let's go to inbox. You can see here there is a Gmail confirmation message verification. So this is the code we need. Just copy it from here and go here, paste it, and then click on verify. So we have verified our email address. Now let's go to Gmail inbox, and from here I will first refresh this page and scroll down, and you are seeing this setting here when replying to a message. So make sure that this first option is always selected, that reply from the same address to which the message was sent. Okay, now let's try to send a test email and see if it works. So first let's go to compose here and scroll down. and the email we created was the support team at the rate bestwpguides.xyz. So it's working, and what I will do is I will send a test email to this custom domain email address also and see if it works. Okay, so as you can see now, there are two emails with this label support at the rate bestwpguides.com .xyz. So you can see this is the test email I sent from my other email address, and you can also see this email in this inbox here, this test email. So now we are able to receive email to our custom domain email address, and similarly if you want we can reply using our custom domain email address. So from here you can see you can select this email support team at the rate bestwpguides.xyz and send email to this address. So that's how simple it is to set up your custom domain email address and also connect it to your Gmail account so that it is very easy to manage and send emails. So I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. If you need any further help or if you are getting any error, please do let me know in the comments and also post your feedback. If you found this video useful, to give this video a like. And that's it guys for this video. I will see you in the next video. For more such tutorials, subscribe to the channel.